to our dear Barangay Captain, Honorable Veronico Galion, together with our Honorable Councilor Runa Cagaes, teachers, stakeholders, parents, community partners, volunteers, learners, SSLG officers, donors like Mr. Junaid Moralde, ato lang ipani kay ato bang i-video no, for the 20 sacks cement for pathway, Rosevic Ibali for 6 sacks cement, Madam Analisa G. Moria for the cash price of 5,000. Again, Marisol Moria Kahel for our entrance steel gate, amount of 35,000. And presently, she sent us 3,000 for this Brigada Escuela. And of course, $100, a cash of 1,005 from Maria Fatima Bais Narbacan Velasco, together with the batch 2004 alone. For our barangay captain during the search for Miss Barangay Shanib, amount of 21,500 income. That's why we have our steel gate. So that is from our barangay officials. Then it is with a great pride and gratitude that I welcome you to closing program of Brigada Escuela 2026 here in our beloved Shanib National High School. Today we gather not only to conclude a work of meaningful activities, but also to celebrate the spirit of unity, volunteerism, and bayanihan that made this year's Brigada Escuela a success. Through your generosity of time, effort, skills, and resources, our school has become more prepared, safer, clearer, and more conducive to learning for our students. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to our volunteers, parents, alumni, civic organization, local government officials, private partners, and community members who willingly share their support. Your commitment demonstrates that education is truly a shared responsibility and that together we can create a better future for our learners. As we officially close Brigada Escuela 2026, let us remember that the partnerships and collaboration we built during this activity should continue throughout the school year. May the spirit of bayanihan remain alive as we work hand in hand in providing quality education for every learner. Once again, welcome to our closing program, and thank you for your unwavering support and dedication to our school. Mabuhay ang Brigada Escuela, mabuhay ang ating mga katuwang sa edukasyon. Maraming salamat at magandang araw po sa ating lahat.